I can make any 2D game 3D. Now the first thing 3D Mario needs is, well, a 3D Mario. So I opened up my 3D modeling software, moved my mouse around for a bit, and... Oh, I'm sorry, what? You thought I was gonna make a 3D model of Mario myself? Now there are a bunch of options, like, this one's a pretty cool one, but Now this one. What the Luigi is that? No, not that one. This one. If you think there's any way I would put the literal devil in my game, you are out of your goddamn mind. Now that we have our main character, we need a background. Done. Now we need a floor. Done. Now I know what you're wondering. The floor in Mario isn't green, so I handmade some graphics and done. Now Mario wouldn't be fun if we didn't have any obstacles, right? Yeah, this part isn't sped up because it definitely did not take me 20 minutes to make a single pillar. Anyway, then I made some coins, which is just a sphere, but flat. Now Virej, I hear you ask, how are you gonna make Mario move? And I'm gonna get to that, you impatient piece of shit. We need to write some code so the player can control Mario. And by write some code, I mean borrow someone else's code. And this is actually pretty cool because not only does this have a player input system, it also has a coin hit system and But that's nerd shit and no one really cares, so let me just show you what it does. Now you can go forwards, backwards, collect coins, jump, but there's still something missing. We need a princess at the end for Mario to rescue. So I opened up Blender and hand designed this 3D model of a princess myself. And now I know what you're gonna comment.
Virej, you didn't even bother animating the princess and kept her at the default T-pose.
And to that I say, this isn't a T-pose. She obviously has her arms open to give Mario a hug when he rescues her. The last thing we need is a name. So, yeah. Now when you open the game, you see an obstacle to your right and coins to your left. So you know, you go left and,
Oopsie, guess you're dead. Get good, nerd.
Let's try again. Let's go right this time. Get those coins, jump over this block, and
guess you're too short, nerd.
Better get back to get the block. And jump over there, and... Shit. Okay, let's try that again.